In this video, you're going to be learning about how to create some basic animations using Blender, okay? In fact, after seeing this video, you can create your own animations using Blender software. So watch till the end and let's start this video with a small intro. Okay guys, we are in my computer, so if you open Blender software, you will get an freeze like this, and click general, and that it freeze, and we're going to work some basic animations on this cube. Okay, now there are three types of animation. Basic animation, I'm giving you a note, basic animation. Okay, so if I press I, you will see the basic animations, the first three. One is the location, second one is the rotation, and the third one is the scale. Okay, I'm going to explain you everything. Okay, now for suppose let's add a keyframe in the first frame for this cube. And let's say for suppose location, and at 40, and in the 40th frame I'm going to get the sphere here. Okay, over here, yeah. Now and I and location again. Okay, now if you press space bar to play the animation, yeah, there you go. Now you're gonna add some rotation to it. Okay, now press I and add a rotation, and in the 40th frame, R, Y, and like 180 degrees. I want to rotate it 180 degrees in the Y axis. So R, Y, and 180. And I apply a keyframe for rotation. Now, if you play this is how it looks like. Okay. Now we're going to work on scale. Let's say I add a scale, and in the 40th frame, increase it a little bit. Yeah. Now I apply a scale and play the whole animation. This is how it looks like. Okay, yeah. So now we can also animate so many things like the world. Okay, open the world properties, and you can also animate the color of the world as you wish. Let's say for suppose I want this to be in gray in the first frame, and in the 40th frame I want it to be in black, and press this button again to add a keyframe. You can't see if you play the animation because you're not in the renders view. Okay, you're in the viewport view. Okay, so press this button to go to the render view. Okay, Blender not responding because my OBS screen recorder is recording the screen, right? So my laptop is kind of hanging, but I think you will not get any problem in this. Now press spacebar, and you're gonna see the world is becoming black. Yeah, you can also animate so many things. For let's say for suppose this light over here, go to the light properties, and I want the radius to be 0.1 in the starting frame, so I'll press I. Okay, or you can just click on this button over here and go to 40th frame, and I'm going to increase it and press I again to add a keyframe. Now if you play, you'll see the light's radius is increasing. So this is how animation works in Blender. So if So guys, let's say for suppose you want to animate everything, location, rotation, scale at a time to save time. Okay, what we're going to do is we have an option location, rotation, scale. Okay, we'll apply for the first frame and then the 60th keyframe, I guess. Now GY, get this here, first scale it, RY, and let's say for suppose like this, and you can also click available. Okay, now if you see, everything is animated at a time.
If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon and set it to all to get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. See you next time in the new video guys. Until then, bye.